So here we have my cup holder in my car, and here we have the cup holder adapter. And over here the tabs keep it pretty secured, locked in. If you have water bottles that you take hiking, and nice coffee or tea or soup for work, and you're driving long trips, boom, right there. Goes right in, it's holstered securely. No noise, no movement, and pulls out. Same thing with tumblers. You got iced coffee, cold drinks, whatever you like, right there, fits in there. Now, even though this will fit in your cup holder, look at all that movement. You don't want that, especially with hot drinks and stuff. Even though it will have a tumbler lid, you don't want this. As a matter of fact, you hit a nice bump, it's gonna go flying. With this, it's not gonna go flying because it doesn't just lift out that easily. So let's stick this in here, and actually let's spin it to get the right adjustment to fit in. Okay, so you could precisely adjust it, and I guess this has slots for handles, so that makes it pretty cool. It's right there, so yeah, you can put it in the front one, the back one, keep it away from the driver's shifter. I don't know if 2 will fit in here. It looks like 2 can fit in here. It's spaced out. This is a Subaru Outback, and let's get our water there. Boom. So you got your water there, driving, secured. This will work for the back also. Minor adjustments. Boom. Take it out. Get your tumblers in there. It's definitely more secure than in the cup holder. That's for sure. In and out. Put it in there, and you can still put stuff in there like your glasses and stuff. You know, this way you're utilizing the functionality of a cup holder even when you're not even using a cup. So yeah, it's a pretty good product, and it's well made, well designed, and this is going to stay right here